Bon, salut tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, c'est X-Trainer, donc jour 7, je me souviens bien. Et puis, on part la deuxième semaine de Asylum Volume 2. À date, j'adore. Très beau programme. Je dirais un peu plus de poids que dans Volume 1. Et puis, donc aujourd'hui, on va essayer d'améliorer un peu, de rester plus fluide dans les mouvements. Et puis, de suivre un peu la cadence de Shanti. Donc là-dessus, on pèse play et puis on essaye de tenir tout le long.
Dig it. 4, 3, 2, you got it? Push it out, push it out. Come on, dig through. Tighten up those abs. Tighten up those abs, Jam. You know what happens when we hit the ladder. Because I hit the ladder last time. So don't play with me. Don't you play with me, Jam. Come on. Are you there? Are you up fast? Come on, Jam. Look at the feet. You gotta keep up with her. Come on. See, you don't think I see these things. I got eyes in the back of my head, people. I can see you at home too, so don't you even try it. Come on, get that knee up, get that knee up. Knee up. Yeah, Scotty Barnes. Come on, go, go, go. Good. You got it. Dig out, dig out, dig out, dig out, dig out. Come on. Keep going. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. 1. Down. Down, down. 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 Hold the plank. Hold it 10 seconds. Hold it. You squeeze, and go. Come on, push, push, push. 3, 2, 1. Open up. Ready? Basic push-ups. Go. Go. 2. Go. 3. Go. 4. Go. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. You need to know when 5 seconds is up. Come on, push. Push. Ready? Open up. Ready? Down. 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 Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Come on. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Come center. You split the middle rung. We're going back to the tricep push-ups. Ready? And go. Down. 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 Up is in. Down. Hold it 10 seconds. Come on. You squeeze the core. Ready? Bend over. This is it. Go for 6. Go. 6, 5, 4, 3. Come on. 2, 1. Go down. Jump back. 6 push-ups. Go. 6. Come on. 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job for putting your knees down, Jim. Come in. Y'all better stay with me. Y'all can't be rushing off in that setup. Ready? Overhead press. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish, Jim. Finish, finish. All right, listen. Since they wanted to go ahead of me, when I said stay with me, we're adding 2 more reps. We're going all the way to 8. Ready? Stay with me. We don't play in the asylum. What you doing? I ain't say bend over yet. See? Staring ahead of me. Ready? Here we go. Bend over. Row 7. Come on. 7. Bend your knees. 6. Flatten out your back. Come on. 5, 4. Stay with me. 3, 2, 1. Go down. Jump back. 7 push-ups. Down. 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 Why y'all going ahead of me? Come in. You come up when I say. All right, here we go. Come on, Jim. Ready? Pull up. Here we go for 7. Go. 7. Go. 6. Go. 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 I can't talk to you right now. Just watch. Come on, guys. tight. Ready? Go. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. That arm is out in front of you. It's just assist. If you get tired, I'm going to just bring it in closer. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get down, set up. Check it out. We're going to that wide spot. We're going to that wide with 3, 2. Arm out, elbow out. Go. Elbows out to the side this time. Straight arm is assisting you. Come on, keep it going. Keep it going, guys. You can do it. You can do it. Push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Come on, push. Push. Lift. Lift. You're climbing up that mountain. Your core is tight. If you need to take a break, just come here, grab onto your legs. When you're ready, go back into it. Woo! Squeeze those abs, people. Fight it out. 1. Go, come on. Push it up, push. Scissor, scissor. Down, back, X. Down, back, X again. Up, back. Out, and in. Scissor, scissor. Down, back, X. Down, back, X. Come on, guys. You got it, you got it, you got it. Make sure those feet are still moving quick. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go.
Bon, X-Trainer aujourd'hui, c'était le fun, mais j'ai pu pousser parce que je connaissais un peu plus les mouvements. Donc j'ai pu un peu plus me donner et puis me dépasser. Donc c'est ça que j'ai eu du fun aujourd'hui pour ça. Et puis l'affaire, j'ai trouvé l'entraînement un petit peu plus difficile que la première fois. C'est juste tout simplement le fait que je connaissais les mouvements et puis j'ai pu plus pousser. Donc l'entraînement se faisait plus fluide. Donc il y avait moins de pauses. Donc ça fait travailler doublement. Et puis j'ai trouvé là, à la fin le petit dernier exercice là, que tu fais sauter l'échelle d'une case jusqu'à 4 cases à la fin de côté. J'ai trouvé rough ses jambes celle-là. Parce que justement, comme je dis, je connaissais plus les mouvements. Et puis Shanti dit dans celle-là, il dit bien important, il dit c'est même un conseil que j'aurais à vous donner. Si dans n'importe quel entraînement, à un moment donné, on vient qu'on atteint une fatigue et puis notre tête et notre corps veulent l'arrêter, mais c'est important de continuer de pousser. Et puis quand même, c'est plus lentement, c'est pas grave, c'est comme ça qu'on s'améliore. Donc si on arrête, notre corps ne s'habituera pas à forcer un peu plus pour s'améliorer. Donc en arrêtant, ben, dans le fond, on coupe toute notre progression. Donc c'est le petit conseil de la journée. Et puis demain c'est Upper Elite. Moi ça va être demain matin, vu que demain soir là, je suis occupé. Donc demain matin Upper Elite, ça va être off un peu. Donc sur ce, ben, on se voit demain et puis bonne soirée.